children, this is your Jyotsna Mataji. Do you know children how Jyotsna Mataji is able to stand in front of you? You are right, that is with the help of my legs. How am I able to see all of you or you are able to see me? With the help of your eyes. How are we able to hear? With the help of our ears. So what do we call them? We call them as part of our body, parts of our body. Same way children, we do breathe, right? We need oxygen to breathe. Where do we get that oxygen? We get it from our plants. We get it from plants. So children, today's topic is parts of a plant. What is today's topic children? I am going to tell you about parts of a plant. Come on then, let us start our session. The parts of a plant are root, stem, leaves, flower, bud and fruits. I am going to repeat: roots, stem, leaves, bud, flower and fruits. Now children, what you are able to see here, this is a flower plant. Now Jyotsna Mataji is going to tell you our different parts of a plant. Shall we all start? Children, what are these? These are called as roots. Am I right? These are called as roots. Where do they grow? They grow under the ground. Where do they grow children? They grow under the ground. It helps the plant to hold firmly in the soil. It helps the plant to hold firmly in the soil. Are you able to see the soil here children? See here. Now let us move on with the next part of a plant. What are these children? These are called as stem. You can see lot of leaves stuck to it, right? You can see lot of leaves stuck to it. Stem also helps the plant to carry food and water to the other parts of the plant. What do they do children? Stem also helps the plant to carry food and water to other parts of the plant, which make them to be healthy. Children, what is the color of the leaves? You all know, right? Leaves are green in color. Okay, the way we need food to be healthy and fit, plants also need food. What do they need? They also need food. So, leaves help the plants to prepare food. What do they do children? Leaves help the plants in preparing food. What are these? These are buds. What are these? These are buds. They are part of a plant which grow into a beautiful flowers. What are these children? These are buds which grow into a beautiful flowers. Are you able to see the flowers children? Aren't they beautiful? What are these? You all know. These are flowers. They are the most colorful and beautiful part of a plant. They are the most colorful and beautiful part of a plant. These flowers grow into a fruit. These flowers grow into a fruit. Children, hope you all came to know about different parts of a plant. Now it's time for us to have an activity. Children, now let us start with the activity. Here you can see different parts of a plant. If you see, you can see root here, leaves here, okay, stem, flower, buds. Am I correct? Now children, in this activity we are going to arrange it. We are going to arrange it so that we can make a plant. we can make a beautiful plant. Let us start now. What comes first? You are correct. Roots. See? Are you able to see the roots here, children? Roots come first. Okay? They grow under the ground. They grow under the ground. Next comes the stem. Next comes the stem. So, I am going to keep the stem. See? Roots, stem. Stem holds the leaves tightly, right? Stem holds the leaves. So, what should come here? You are correct. We need to keep the leaves. I am going to keep the leaves. Then I am going to keep the buds. I am going to keep the bud. Where do you find the bud? If you see here, you can see the bud. Okay? Then bud turn into a beautiful flower. Am I right? Bud turn into a beautiful flower. See? Are they not very colorful? The plant looks very beautiful, right? Can we name them one by one? What is this, children? Root. What is this? Root. Which part is this? This is stem. This is stem. What is this? You are right. Leaf. What is this? Leaf. Now comes the bud. Now comes the bud. Now, what is this which is very colorful and beautiful? It is a flower. So, I am keeping flower here. Okay? These are parts of the plant. These are parts of a plant. Hope you all have enjoyed this activity. Now, it's time for us to chant the shloka. Shloka name is Mulato Brahma Rupaya. All of you join your hands. Okay? And repeat after me. Mulato Brahma Rupaya. Mulato Brahma Rupaya. Madhyato Vishnu Rupini. Madhyato Vishnu Rupini. Agratah Shiva Rupaya. Agratah Shiva Rupaya. Vriksha Rajayate Namaha. Vriksha Rajayate Namaha. Shall we all repeat again? Mulato Brahma Rupaya. Mulato Brahma Rupaya. Madhyato Vishnu Rupini. Madhyato Vishnu Rupini. Agratah Shiva Rupaya. Agratah Shiva Rupaya. Vriksha Rajayate Namaha. Vriksha Rajayate Namaha. Now children, Sheila Mataji is going to take over the session. I am going to meet you in the next session.
Namaste children, I am Sheila Mataji. In today's class we learnt about plants. So today we are going to recite a rhyme about plants. I think you are a little bit familiar with this rhyme. We will recite it together. We will learn together. Done? Okay. The roots of the plants grow underground, underground, underground. The roots of the plants grow underground. Roots are part of a plant. The stem of a plant hold up the leaves, hold up the leaves, hold up the leaves. The stem of a plant holds up the leaf. Stems are part of a plant. The leaves on the plant are making food, making food, making food. The leaves on the plants are making food, Leaves are parts of a plant. The bud of a plant grows into flower, grows into flower, grows into flower. The buds on a plant grows into flower. Flower are parts of a plant. The flowers on plant change to fruit, change to fruit, change to fruit. The flower of a plant change to fruit. Fruits are part of a plant. Hope you enjoyed this time, children. You should all learn. Now it is activity time. Children will use so many things in our daily life and we will put it back to its place so that we can reuse it. So whenever we read or write, what will we use? We use a book, a pencil, eraser, sharpener or mender and a scale. Now we will see how to use this. See, before writing, if your pencil is not sharp, you will not write properly, correct? We can't write properly. Our handwriting will not be nice. So first we should mend our pencil. I have taken a mender. See, slowly you should mend. And while mending, you should take care that the pencil skin or its shape doesn't fall on the floor because floor will become dirty, correct? See, slowly you should sharpen or mend your pencil so that you can use for writing. See, now I have got so much of skin or shape of this pencil. Now since your pencil is sharp, we will keep it back. And what we will do this with this shape? If we put it on floor, the floor will become dirty. Correct? Your house floor or school floor, it will become dirty, classroom floor. So we should put it in a dustbin. If you are in school, you can take this small box like this and you can put pencil shape inside the box so that you can throw it in the dustbin during your break, or you can go home and you can throw it. Now I have finished writing. Now what should I do? First, if anything, if we read or write, we should close the book after finishing our work. Then we should take a pencil box. We should place pencil, eraser, mender and a scale. Inside the box you should arrange it properly and you should close the box. You should close the box. Keep it properly. You can keep this in your cupboard or in your school bag so that the next day it will be easy for you to take out the pencil box and book. Okay children, from today you should only keep your books properly in your cupboard and you should keep your pencil, eraser, sharpener and scale in the pencil box and you should keep it inside your cupboard. So that when you come to school now, it will be easy for you to pack your bags. Dhanyavad children. Ram Ram.